How to redeem Forever 21 gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to redeem your Forever 21 gift card online in just few simple steps. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and simply search for Forever 21. And now here from the search result, simply click on the first link. And after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of Forever 21. And here, make sure that you are logged in with your account. And now here, once you are logged in your account, simply scroll through and simply shop for a product. And now here, once you have shopped for a product, you can simply add the product to your cart that you would like to buy. And once you're done with everything, just click on the cart icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you click on it, the cart section will pop up. From here, you can simply click on checkout button, and after that, you'll be prompted to the page where you need to enter the shipping information. So here, just fill in your shipping details such as name, address, contact info, and once you're done with that, simply click on continue to shopping. And now here on the next page on the payment section, you will see the option for gift card, e-gift card, or store credit. So simply click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your gift card number. So simply enter that code, and once you're done with that, simply click on apply button, and after that your gift card balance will now be applied to your purchase total. And here, if the balance on your gift card isn't enough, you can pay the remaining amount using other payments method. And that's it. That's how you can redeem your gift card on Forever 21. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.